Yes. They're both out. Put them away. Put them into the losers then. Next one, James versus Rusty. Both out. Whoever wins this last run, James. Say that James won. James won.
Alright, he'll be into the finals.
Yeah, whoever wins this one goes in the finals with James. Come on, James, do it. Next one is Arthur versus Mike. Mike the Harsdale engine versus Arthur the LMS engine. Arthur wins. Now he's going to go to the finals with James. There's Brendan. So it's James the red engine versus Arthur.
The stinky fish engine.
James versus Arthur.
And Arthur wins!
The winner is... I can't see very good.
Arthur!
Arthur!